Hey everybody, we have some fantastic news. 100 subscribers. We attained them yesterday.
Yes.
6 months earlier than we set our goal to be. So
thank you.
That is great.
So our new goal is 1,000 subscribers in 365 days.
July 2023. Easy. Easy peasy.
All right.
And now it'll even be more fantastic.
Is it going to be fantastic, Dale?
It's going to be fantastic.
So to get our 1,000, we figured if each one of you go out and tell 10 friends and they subscribe, we're there. Everybody do 10.
I think everybody has 100 friends on Facebook nowadays, don't they?
Everybody just share.
Yeah.
It'll be fine.
Share it. Just share it.
The other way you can help us is by making sure to give us that thumbs up on every video. And let's get some comments going, because that will help the algorithm and get us into more subscribers.
Yep, absolutely. That's what we need. Get our faces on more video.
Oh my goodness.
So yeah guys, share our videos, comment on our videos. Those of you who have already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. And those that have not, just click the little square. It's easy to do.
We have a special treat, a fantastic treat for those of you who have been with us and help us get to 100. And this is for you, 100 subscribers.
Tastes fantastic, fantastic drinks. A little fantastic Irish pub. Views are fantastic. Views were just fantastic. Yeah, fantastic drinks, fantastic atmosphere. Yeah, the view is fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful view, but mine was fantastic. I had the fantastic flavor, fantastic mojito. It's fantastic. Yeah, mine was fantastic flavor. Service was good. Service was fantastic. It was fantastic. It was good. The bread is fantastic. Fantastic bread.
It is fantastic.
It looks fantastic. It's fantastic. Brakes work fantastic. Fantastic.
I love it.
As everybody makes fun of me, fantastic.
It's fantastic.
So it worked fantastic on the trailer, but it's good. It's fantastic. Fantastic.
So stinking
fantastic. Fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Yes, it was fantastic. It was very good. Fantastic. I ate too many of them. Fantastic.
Fantastic.
I know, that's awesome.
Fantastic.
It was fantastic.
Fantastic. So fantastic.
Thanks again, everybody. I appreciate it. And we have the best subscribers out there. See you soon.